Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel today with technical analysis to 3D systems. So let's look first at the charts. Let's clear this actually a little bit up so I can start from the beginning right now to show you exactly what I would expect from this chart in the future. So basically, let's see. I would say, sorry for my English, I'm from Germany actually, so I hope you can understand a little bit of that what I want to tell you. So first of all, we can see here a clear gap at around the $40 area. So this might get filled sometime, especially we didn't have huge volume here at this decline. So it's not like some sort of gap where you wouldn't expect it to be filled. So it's quite likely that this gap might get filled at some point. But right now, still, it's really dangerous. Like, of course, we made plus today already in the pre-market session. But if you look there, the trend line isn't really broken yet. So, and also another point is that if you look at the lows, we don't see that what we normally would expect to see is that this is declining sort of like this, a falling wedge, okay? But here, there's really a falling wedge. It's more like that the volatility is increasing, not decreasing here in this downtrend. So I wouldn't say that this is a normal, typical falling wedge. And now we could also look at the 50-minute chart and see if we get here a rising wedge pattern to occur. And if this is also true, then yeah, you could say it's a cup and handle formation at some point right now, but I suggest that the cup and handle might be at 40 if it really reaches 40 again. So this could be true that this works out to be a cup and handle formation and then we attempts to get new highs in 3D systems. That would be one possibility. Or we start first to head towards confirmation of the 22 low. So if I would have to guess right now, just look at the volatility of this 50-minute chart, okay? So we can clearly see this is more like a really strong rising wedge. So, and we can see the RSI, it's really overbought right now. So I would suggest this to fall down to let's write out another trend line here, 22 again, okay? And from there, after reconfirmation, we might get back to the 40 level, but that would be most likely to happen. So the other possibility is that, that it's going straight up like this. But for me, this would be really unlikely. It's really bullish today again, but I think this is more like the bouncing ball effect. Again, look at this chart at 2 hours, or at 1 day. Okay, so let's look at this chart. It's more like still continuing downtrend. So what would you suggest being more likely? Please write in the comments. For me, it definitely would be that this chart is heading towards like this, okay? So if you see that resistance line here in this downtrend channel, you don't see that sort of falling wedge you would like to see, okay? We could also look if we can find a falling wedge in the 15 minutes chart before it did rise. So if that would be the case, then this could be a great sign for this to continue. But this doesn't mean necessarily that you are always right with these chart patterns. But okay, here you could say basically nothing. Okay, so this could be a falling wedge, but yeah, that is just a small one. So basically what I would expect the chart to do is right now that there's some sort of resistance on this trend line. It's a fake out and that it will go down this days, the next days, upcoming week back to 22 level. And from there, let's see, maybe it continues back to 40 if there's another wave of this EV speculation. But right now, I think or 3D printing or anything, it's all the same for me, these growth stocks might have a hard time also next upcoming week. Although this could look like a great time for a breakout to buy, but I think it's a fake out actually. basically, if you look at the RSI and the 2-hour chart again, you will clearly see that this is not really the perfect time to buy. It's quite overbought. And you can see here what happened the last times the RSI was high like this. Sorry for this small chart, it's just on my smartphone. Here you can clearly see what happened. It went down from 44 to 33, like 20%. So I guess this will happen again on this part. So please thumbs up or thumbs down if you didn't like this video. It's my first technical analysis video right now. Yeah, let's just see how this turns out right in the comments, and yeah, see you for the next video. Bye.